How to replace or cancel Wise card. You can replace your Wise card at any time for a small fee. So on the app, go to card, tap on replace card, choose the reason why are you replacing your card, tap on replacement card. On the web, click on the cards on the left hand side, select replace card, select one of the options on the screen. You'll see for option I lost my card was stolen, my card was damaged, or support team suggests I should. If you choose I lost my card or my card was stolen, your card will be blocked and cancelled immediately, and you'll be able to order a new card. If your card is damaged or our support team advises you to replace it, you can keep using your card. It will be blocked and cancelled only when you activate your new one. All you need to do is enter and confirm your delivery address, and your new card will be on its way. So delivery times depends on your region. You can find it in this table right up here. What if my card expires? If your regular use your card will remind you to replace it before it expires. How to cancel my Wise card? We are sorry to hear that you no longer want to use your debit card, but in order to cancel it, you just simply need to get in touch with Wise support team.